puppies?
Yeah. You couldn't even
Holy
tell.
shit, no. This is my prize dog.
That's awesome.
I freaking love this dog. She's friendly and outgoing. She's bounced right back. She smiles. She's a good girl.
Look at her.
She's not gray. She's a mama dog. Is a good girl. Love this dog.
Now, what have you done to have a dog like this? I mean, did you have a socialization program?
I love you. I love you. It's upsetting you having anybody with your babies, huh?
I mean, what did you do?
I don't do anything. I just
I mean,
live in love with my dogs.
I mean, did you have a plan? Did you take her out? Did
Oh
you...
yeah, she came with me to training and stuff.
Yeah.
Yep. But the genetics.
Yeah.
So there's hardly any gray. I mean, and she just had 5 puppies. They nursed the crap out of her. Look at her. She looks great. She looks just like a 5-year-old does. She's almost 9. Ha!
She looks beautiful.
She's big and thick and I love you. I love my Donna. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She's a great mom. She's getting just a little gray. Nice, huh? She's a nice dog. She's not squirrely. She's not nasty. She's not eyeballing you. She's not trying to be aggressive. She's not rude. She's just friendly. She's sweet. Good girl.